I gotta think of something to rival that whole elf on a shelf thing. It was so easy to think of. I know. Everyone's heard of elf on a shelf. But how about model on a bottle? Check this out. That's right, boys and girls. Get yours today over at groovebuilders.ca. We'll sell millions of these, I'm sure. Hey everyone, and welcome to Groove Builders, the show where we create together. I'm your host, Disorderly Cone, and it's December. I thought it would be a good idea for us to do a channel update, as well as our first annual Groove Builders giveaway. We're not only going to be giving away that Metaler Stormtrooper model, but also some tweezers and stands too. But before I tell you how you can win those things, I want to say thank you to everyone out there for a really awesome year. You know, there's been all kinds of stuff in this last year that could really bring everything down, and we've all struggled in some way. But this channel and doing what I've been doing here and communicating with everyone out there and seeing the growth in the last year has really been awesome. You know, last December, I decided to go ahead and jump into this and try to open my own store online. And I had no idea that we were going to be encountering this beer flu that ended up really kind of turning the whole world upside down. Now, this was never meant to be a giant business to me. This was just to be something to kind of help me with the channel to show off some really cool models and also kind of to support some of the costs that kind of come along with a YouTube channel. Anyone who's ever tried to do one knows exactly what I'm talking about. And, you know, I just really want to say thank you to everyone out there who decided to purchase models from me, either from our website or through eBay. I think it's really cool to be able to send packages not just to fellow Canadians and Americans, but also to the people around the world. I mean, I've sent packages to Japan in the last year. I've sent packages to Iceland, Ireland. I mean, just places that I would never think people would actually be watching the content that I make here. And it's just really cool that you guys choose to buy from me, because there's tons of different people out there that have great deals on metal models. And I just don't have the ability to be able to compete with some of those bigger places because I don't have the inventory to be able to do that. You know, I really started this with a small budget, and every time you guys are buying models on my side, I try to take that money that I get there and reinvest it and try to purchase models that you're interested in. I try to pay attention to different things like the Instagram and different Reddit forums and Facebook groups to figure out what people are building and what people are interested in, so I can purchase things that you guys want to see here. Anytime I see comments in my videos where someone says, hey, I would really like to buy this model from you, I try to get those models too as quick as I can. Some examples are these planes right here. I've done some of those out of request. Not that I don't like planes, I actually kind of do. There's a really neat museum around this area, and I got some friends over there that I'm trying to work on so that when I do these models, we can have some fun with the videos. But I don't want to spoil anything on some of the stuff I'm working for next year just yet. But speaking of next year, we're going to have some really interesting projects come onto the show, both with 3D printing, metal model building, of course, but also some other things that might not be typical for this channel. And I would really hope that this can help bring us to a bigger audience and really kind of help bring this whole hobby that we have here to a bigger group. I've always been about trying to expand this, and anyone who's actually purchased from my store that's been in the area here knows that I try to be as supportive as possible when it comes to building these models and also trying to get you the right tools to be able to build them properly too. And I really want to emphasize on that. I want to try to grow in a way that we can not only grow the hobby, but we can grow in a positive way. And I want to bring in people that love to create and create with their imagination and build really cool stuff. You know, the 3D printing thing is just the start. I mean, that stand, like, the things that I have planned are going to be things from my childhood that have inspired me, and some of the things that we're going to be creating just don't exist on YouTube, and quite frankly, don't exist to create at all. So we're going to have to create these 3D models, and it's just been a really fun road in the last year to be kind of learning that on the side, while also building these things and, well, doing all the other things that life has put forward this year. To kind of summarize everything, I just really want to say thank you to everyone out there who's allowed this Groove Builders road that I'm on to kind of happen. And I really appreciate all of your support in my videos with the likes and the comments. I can't tell you how warming some of the comments can be some days, especially those ones that say that I should have more subscribers and stuff. I can't tell you guys how warm those make me feel. And some days, especially when I'm having a bad day, it just seems like some of those comments tend to pop up, and it always flips my day around. So just thank you guys so much for those comments. I really do mean that. And again, I'm just really happy to be on this road with all of you, and ultimately, for our goal, I would really like to, at this time next year, be at 4,000 subscribers. I know it's kind of big, but we killed it last year. We doubled it. I mean, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and last year this time, we were nowhere near close to 1,000, so it's really cool to be right here, right now. And I'm, again, just super excited to see where our channel goes. But enough rambling, on to the giveaway. Ho, 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 ho. Yes, we got some pretty awesome stuff to give away. And actually, we're going to have 3 different winners. The first place prize winner is going to get this really cool Stormtrooper from Metal Earth, while the second and third place prize winners will both get a 3D printed stand and detailed tweezer set. Really neat, right? Now, how do you go about winning these prizes? It's actually really simple. We're going to do our best to follow the rules of every other YouTube giveaway and ask you to put a comment down below telling us what model you're looking forward to get for Christmas, as well as your Instagram handle. Then, after we cycle through any repeats, we're going to run a random number generator and post the winner on our Instagram account. So stay tuned for that on December 25th. That's right, on Christmas, we'll announce our winners. Alright, Groovers, good luck to everyone out there, and until next time, keep building. Now, where's my model on a bottle? That's gonna make millions.